Acro Llama here. What's up, pilots? I was flying this guy. You know, you watched the last video, watched the maiden flight, and then the next flight after that video, the thing just tumbled out of the sky, just all the way down to the ground. Here's the crash. Yeah, that happened. So as you can probably tell, the back right motor just failed, and then it started tumbling back and in circles, and after that it just makes you dizzy. So I crashed into the ground and had to climb out in the snow that's like 3 feet deep to get it. Holy cow, I just fell into the snow. Yeah, it's deep out here. I brought it in and dried it out, and so far everything else works, and the ESCs didn't go bad, or the ESC 4-in-1 ESC didn't go bad. Nothing else is wrong. And I looked at the motor and it looks like the motor's burnt, so check it out. As you look at the motor, you can see that the coating on the wires is burnt, and the motor doesn't spin as well. It's got more resistance, and so it doesn't spin like this. If you spun it, it would just stop as soon as your finger stopped pushing it. So I decided to take that motor off. I bought 5. So that's one way you can stay in the air. If you're building a quad, buy like one spare part of everything. So if something bad happens early on, like it did for me, you can throw on another 5th motor here and stay in the air while you're talking to the people you bought this from to get another one sent to you in the mail. So that's what I did. I contacted the company I ordered it from. So we're in the process of figuring out how I can get a new one. The best thing to do would to be have like 2 quads or more, because we all want more, right? Of course we do. But to have 2 running quads, so if you crash one or have electronics fail on you, it doesn't like put you out of service and on the ground for like a month if you're buying from China, or a week and a half if you have to figure out a return policy and then get them to send one back in the mail. So the lesson to learn is, when you're building a quad, buy spare parts. So far, this thing flew once. I'm gonna fly another pack right now. My battery beeped. That means it's done and ready to go. Here's tonight's flight.
Upon a nightstand that I read before I sleep, wishing that the Sandman comes tonight before I count to 3. Get me out of here, feeling in my bones, shiver when the lights die, but I'm safe beneath my sheets, running out of air and tight and claustrophobic surroundings. Get me out of here, feeling in my bones. Get me out of here, don't leave me alone. And they gave to me something to believe. Everywhere I go, everyone I see is out to get me. But there's a place I go where nobody knows, where I'm deep asleep, where nobody can get me. This looking so much colder. This vacation's over. Dreams don't last forever.
If anybody out there wants to give me a GoPro session so I can put good looking footage on the YouTube videos, that would be a freaking awesome blessing. One thing I said in the last video was, oh, I already trust this better than the Wizard. And I think trusting the electronics, trusting the quad is important when you're piloting it, because you don't want it to do something that you didn't command it to do. It really kind of put a dagger in my brain that it just fell out of the sky. And, you know, that really bothers me that it failed, and it wasn't anything I did. Like, the PIDs were stock. I didn't have anything, like motors weren't getting hot or anything like that. I didn't put bolts too long. I mean, I used the stock bolts that come with it. You know, I didn't do anything, I don't think, myself to ruin that motor, but it failed. Puts an asterisk on the name Hypetrain, you know, so I'll probably be trying something else in the future. And I just like to experiment with other things, so not that I won't ever use Hypetrains again, but we'll find out. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you're still sticking around watching my flying, that's not extremely, it's not good. Thank you. I'm trying to build this YouTube channel, so do me a favor, hit subscribe, hit the bell notification, like the video, comment. I think YouTube likes comments, so encourage me, give me hints, tell me what to do. I'm a noob, so as much as you can teach me, the better. I'll like it. Check out more of my videos in the future, and see you next time. Peace.